DOER is 7 years in the making. Everything in DOER starts with the Unigrip. That's the one handle for all the tools. You attach the drill, and you have an excellent drill with a hammer function. Take off the drill, put on the jigsaw, and you have a jigsaw with orbital cutting action, capable of doing everything a jigsaw needs to do. Then there's the circular saw, strong enough to cut anything. And all the tools neatly fold into this fold-a-bag. Look, in a second, DOER turns into a work table. Just mount the tools under the stainless steel armored lid, then you form the table functions, and voila! DOER's tools are the only tools that can be powered by either a battery or an outlet using DOER's AC-DC converter. Yep, with DOER you can create, fix, and build anything, no matter where you live. It's portable, so you can also take it with you wherever you go. Get DOER.